This video will show you how to register on Oxford Premium. Go to oxfordpremium.es and click on Are You a Teacher? Register. Select your language, enter your 10-digit premium code, and then enter your email and choose a password. Prove you're not a robot. Accept the terms and conditions and click on Next. Your centre details will appear. If correct, click Next. Select the titles you use and click on Continue Registration. Now enter your name, phone number and ID number. Then click on Next. Send a confirmation email to validate your account and then follow the instructions in the email.